Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to easily transfer crypto from eToro to a wallet. All right, let's begin. First, download the eToro Money app. This app, created by eToro, helps manage your crypto transactions. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your eToro credentials. After signing in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Crypto. If you already have crypto in your eToro wallet, it will appear in the list. If not, you will need to create a wallet and choose which crypto to add. To transfer crypto, select the asset you want to send. For example, if you want to transfer Bitcoin, tap on Bitcoin and choose Send. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then input the recipient wallet address. For accuracy, use the camera icon to scan the QR code of your external wallet. If scanning is not an option, copy and paste the address instead of typing it manually to avoid errors. Once the amount and address are entered, tap the blue Send button to complete the transaction. So that's basically how you can easily transfer crypto from eToro to a wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.